I have a super easy dinner for you. It's my tamale casserole. It comes together so quickly. And I started in here with 8 ounces of cornmeal mix. Now you can use the blue box if you want. I use Bob's Red Mill cornmeal mix, it's gluten-free. And then to that you need to add an egg. And I'm just gonna kind of break up the egg a little bit. And then I have a 1/3 cup of buttermilk going in. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin, or cumin, how do you say it? And then also some chili flake. I just like a little bit of heat. That can be optional, but we're gonna add more heat in the form of a little can of these diced green chilies. And because this makes it really good and very creamy, is a can of creamed corn. This is going to be the base for my tamale casserole. So you can see kind of how it would taste like a tamale already. And I'm going to give this a mix. And I have a bunch of grated cheddar here, so just wait for this. I really like to grate my own cheese. You don't get the silicone and everything that they put, starches that they put in packaged cheddar cheese or packaged grated cheese. I do buy it from time to time just because it's super convenient, but honestly, it took me 60 seconds to grate that, so I think it's worth it. You need about a 1/4 cup of this cheese going in here, and I'm gonna give it another mix with my spatula. Just a little bit more. All right, this goes into my prepared pan. I just sprayed it with a little like an olive oil or avocado oil cooking spray, and then it bakes in my 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. And then we're gonna top it with some good stuff, some chicken and some enchilada sauce and some more cheese. Let's spread this out. Looks good already. It's like the best cornbread ever. All right, that's out of the oven for the 15 minutes that I had it in there. Then it's kind of like a poke cake. I'm gonna use chopsticks and then just poke holes in my cornbread mixture. And then into those holes goes some enchilada sauce. You can use green or red. You can make your own if you want to, but I love the simplicity of using something out of a jar or this Frontera brand. And I'm just gonna drizzle that enchilada sauce all over the top and it'll sink down in. And then, this is shredded chicken that I made in my Ninja Foodie. You can buy a rotisserie chicken and shred it, make your own chicken however you want, but basically just shred some chicken. And I'm gonna load mine pretty well with this shredded chicken. I used all that chicken because I think it's worthy of all that chicken. And then more cheese. More cheese, please. And then this is so great. You can top it with whatever you want. I have a few tomatoes out of the garden. I'm gonna make a nice little tomato salsa to go over the top. I also have some jalapenos if you want even more heat in this sucker. I already have quite a bit, but there's cheese, there's chicken. It's gonna get nice and toasty. In 15 more minutes, we'll call it dinner. Ready to go. I wish you could smell this. Wow, it smells so good, and it was all hot and bubbly out of the oven. This is how you serve it, and it's kind of basically anything goes. So you can let it cool a little bit and kind of cut it into squares if you want, but I think because I have such big pieces of gorgeously shredded chicken, I'm just going to kind of pile it on my plate like that. And then this is dairy-free Greek yogurt. You can use regular sour cream or crema if you want. A little bit of cilantro, my tomatoes. How about some jalapeno? A little bit of lime, just because it always goes really good with that. And then I have some avocado, all on top of this beautiful pile of chicken tamale casserole. Oops, losing a piece of chicken there, we can't have that. All right, I'm gonna carefully try to get everything in a bite. And it's really hot. Those flavors are so good. The creamy tamale base underneath, and that chicken with the cheese on, you get just a little bit of a crispy crust. Some of the chicken has little crisp bits to it, and that cheese has gotten nice and bubbly, and just basically whatever you want to put on this to make it yours, you just can't go wrong. You've got to give this one a try. Your family's gonna love it. Check out the recipe. It's on tkfoodie.com.